which was vandalized is the enmity which the side owner who wanted a total open access or whatever view to the beach was never blocked by Sozalobo. There is a traditional access coming to Sozalobo which he cannot block even if it is in his property, partly in his property. Today the Panchayat of Kalangut had a meeting with Sozalobo owners and have seen all the documents, and the traditional access is never on survey plan or something like that, which has to be always defined by the Panchayat and the Mamladar and Deputy Collector. So we will follow due process of law, and whatever he has done should not go unpunished. I have told the owner of Sozalobo, do not compromise this matter at all with him. The assault is totally illegal, criminal in nature. He has also, I have believed that he has also threatened the owner's wife, which they are filing a separate complaint today. The owner has filed of criminal trespass and assault on the staff. The wife will file separate. The reconstruction which he wants to start, so-called Aurora, who has purchased this property, will not be allowed by Village Panchayat Kalangut and also by NGPD. We will see that in that no development zone of Kalangut, in that particular survey number, no structure can come up. But CRZ has given them permission. We will see that Panchayat will not issue them permission, and even if earlier has issued, we will revoke it because it is total NDZ and he is not intending to repair the structure, he wants to reconstruct the structure.
But NDZ and CRZ has given permission?
No, it is in NDZ. CRZ has given repair permission. I believe he wants to reconstruct. Okay. कोणाक पॉलिटिकल बॅकिंग ना. थोडे जाण दिल्लीकसून जे लोक येता ते अशें सजमता की आमचे कोण तरी हिंगा दिल्लीचे ऑफिसर आहा आनी ते आमकां हेल्प करतले, तशें कांय ना. विलेज पंचायत, लोकल लोक, आमदार will stand by Sozalobo, which was established in 1932, the oldest restaurant in that area. And a lot of hotels have come up in Kalangut which are of non-Goans from long back. Even Taj is a chain of hotels. But they have to cooperate with the locals. Local is first. Traditional access कोण करप ना. लोकलाक त्रास करून हॉटेल घालप ना. आमकां तसलें ट्युरिजमूच नाका. आमकां व्हडले लोकूच नाका जे कोण घालता पळय लोकलाक त्रास करून. So let him follow due process of law, what he wants to do over there, even if he wants to fence his property. सारखे पंचायतीचे, PDAचे, CRZ सगळे लायसन काढून मागीर पळोवया. टील देन वॉटेवर क्रिमिनल केस फायल तेजेर फायल केल्या तेजो एक्शन जातलो, तेजेर चार्जशीट जातलें. वॉटेवर रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू, लेट हिम फॉलो ऑल द प्रोसिजर्स ऑफ लॉ. वी विल सी हाउ ही कॅन बिल्ड reconstruction because repair only is allowed over.
Thank you.